Hello kids, welcome to my channel Shino Kids. Kids, in this video we are going to read the words starting with alphabet F. Are you ready kids? Let's start. This is uppercase F. This is lowercase f. Sound of F is F, F, F. Sound of F is F, F, F. Kids, now let's read some words. F, F. Fish. Yellow and blue fish. F, F. Fingers. 4 fingers in a hand. F, F. Family. A big family. F, F. Frog. A green frog. F, F. Friends. A group of friends. F, F. Fire. A fire in the jungle. F, F. Fan. A fan on the ceiling. F, F. Frock. A beautiful frock. F, F. Fox. A cunning fox. F, F. Face. A smiling face. F, F. Farm. A farm full of animals. F, F. Funny. A funny face. F, F. 4. Number 4. F, F. Flag. An Indian flag. F, F. Fruits. Tasty juicy fruits. F, F. Flowers. A bunch of flowers. F, F. Football. A black and white football. F, F. 5. Number 5. F, F. Flute. A melodious flute. F, F. Fork. A red fork. F, F. Fairy. A magical fairy. F, F. Fire brigade. A red fire brigade. F, F. Fence. A fence in a park. F, F. Feather. A bird's beautiful feather. F, Flamingo. A pink, beautiful flamingo. F for fig. Sweet and tasty fig. F for fridge. A cool fridge. F for food. Tasty food. F for fast. A girl running fast. F for French fries. Yummy French fries. F for first. A boy came first in the competition. F for fat. A fat man. F for fountain. A water fountain. F for fever. A girl having a fever. F for full. A jar full of cookies. F for fry pan. A red and black fry pan. Thank you kids. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.